Tatanggalin ko muna itong motor na to. And then lilinisin natin to. Oh shit. But yeah, samahan niyo ako guys. Nakalimutan ko, i-montage muna natin to. And para makita nyo kung gaano kadumi. Kung mga dumi nga ba. But yeah, here it is. Alright guys, natapos ko na linisin yung sasakyan. And then, this is the last montage. And see you in the next video. Gagamitin natin ngayon is this one, this masterpiece. Man, sobrang dumi. But it's okay. Lilinisin natin siguro mamaya. Oh. That's embarrassing. Sorry guys, medyo madumi dito, but yep. Actually, itras muna natin. Let's do this. Samahan nyo. Sorry, sobrang dumi. But yeah. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Problema tayo. Ayaw umandar nito. Ayusin ko muna. Alright guys, bibili muna tayong gas. Walang gas yung motor. Alright guys, kakabalik ko lang dito sa bahay. And shout out to my pinsan. Yung motor na gamit natin kanina, hindi sa akin yun, doon sa pinsan ko yun. You know who you are. Thank you bro. What is something that I wanna talk about? Ano nga ba yung gusto kong ito pag-usapan? Or ano nga ba yung gusto kong i-share to you guys? So it is, may nabasa ako kanina sa social media. And it says, God is bigger than anything you're struggling with. Let me say that again. God is bigger than anything you're struggling with. So don't give up. Sit on it, deal with it. Umiyak ka kung gusto mo, kung yun yung magpapagaan o magpapaayos sa pakiramdam mo. Iyak mo. But don't give up. And don't let the situation affect you kung paano ka makipag-communicate sa ibang tao. Because people is messed up. You know? Really messed up. Lalo na dito sa atin. People are so, I don't know. I just don't wanna talk about negative things. Okay? So yeah. If you're someone who's struggling with something or anything, just remember God is bigger than anything you're struggling with. Okay? Alright boys, pupunta tayo sa dorm namin. Kukunin ko yung laptop kasi I'll be editing this video. Sana ma-edit ko na maayos. Samahan nyo ako. Ilak. Minsan kasi guys, naglolo ko kaya binuksan ko yung pinto ng pick up. Okay, let's go. Hi. Sama tayo. Seatbelt ka, seatbelt. Saan tayo pupunta? Kay ate. Kukunin natin yung laptop.
Kasi kaya na alam ko kasi yung laptop green.
Gusto mo?
Chicken, tapos kanin.
Rice, chicken, tsaka kanin.
May maliliit na unabaw dito eh.
Ngayon? Ba't?
Ito ba maraming maliliit? Lima.
Oh. Sige po. Nandito na kami kasama yung kapatid ko kaya sumama siya kasi gusto mo makita si ate. Gusto niya makita yung ate niya. So yeah. At saka kukunin ko muna yung laptop. Ako na yung laptop and yun. Sumahan nyo kami mamaya na route. Yeah. See you guys. Alright boys. I'm so sorry. Pero hindi tayo matutuloy ngayon with my friends. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi matutuloy yung plano. It doesn't mean na hindi rin matutuloy yung goal. The goal is to post this one. And yeah, I'm currently editing this. So kung mabot ka dito sa video na to, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Kung meron kayong masasuggest kung anong gagawin ko next time, comment nyo lang. Sasabihin ko sa next vlog kung sino yung nag-comment, kung bakit ko ginawa yun. And then yeah. Thank you guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one.